Okay, yes. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my podcast. Welcome back to my YouTube page. Thank you for coming, every new visitor, every guest. Thank you for coming, stopping by, and stumbling upon my channel. Thank you. I appreciate you. Right. So, in my other video, I spoke about the road from Bulawayo Town Center, Bulawayo City Center, straight to Victoria Falls, or going all the way to Victoria Falls. That's being built right now, or constructed, engineered right now, uh, because of the president, because of the Zimbabwean government, from Bulawayo City Center straight to Victoria Falls. So, in regard to that, in respect to that, I want to speak about something. There are 5 companies, or there are 5 contractors that have been given the assignment, that have been given the work uh, that they have to do on that road. So I just want to speak about these 5 companies. I just want to give a simple breakdown, a simple explanation, a simple description of these 5 companies, or these 5 contractors that have been given that job or the work to do on this road from Bulawayo City Center, Bulawayo Town Center, right from the statue of Joshua Ngomo, this great man in the history of Zimbabwe, going all the way to Victoria Falls. I hope you're already smiling, you're already smiling, you're already happy, feeling excited because of this great development, this great work, this great accomplishment, or this great achievement that is being wrought right now uh, through the brains and the hands of the president, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. Right. So the first company is Masimba Contracting. It goes by the name Masimba Contracting. Second company goes by the name Fossil Contracting. Then third company goes by the name Tensor Systems. Tensor Systems. Fourth company goes by the name Bitumen Resources. Bitumen Resources. And lastly, company number 5, fifth company, it goes by the name Cyven Investments. So all in all, there are 5 companies or 5 contractors that have been mandated to do the work, that have been given the honor to carry out the work to build, construct, or engineer that road from Bulawayo Town Center, right from the statue of Joshua Ngomo, going all the way to Victoria Falls, extending all the way to Victoria Falls. 5 companies in total, or 5 contractors in total. Bitumen Resources, Cyven Investments, Tensor Systems, Fossil Contracting, and Masimba Holdings or Masimba Contracting. Right. 3 of these companies are the same companies that did the work at the Trababras interchange. If you remember last month, when people were jubilating, celebrating because of the Zimbabwe Harare Trababras interchange that was built, engineered again through the brains and the hands of the president, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. So these are the 5 companies. No, these are 3 same companies that did the work on the Trababras interchange. When you talk about Masimba Holdings or Masimba Contracting, when you talk about Fossil Contracting, and lastly, company number 3, when you talk about Tensor Systems. So these 3 companies are the same that did the work on the Trababras interchange. Tensor Systems, Masimba Contracting, Fossil Contracting, and again on this road, Bulawayo to Victoria Falls Road, 435-kilometer range, 435-kilometer range of the road. The 3 companies are also there in that project again, building, constructing, engineering that road, whatever part or spot that need to be engineered or built or constructed, they are also involved in that project again. Masimba Contracting, Fossil Contracting, and Tensor Systems. Then in addition to that, then you talk about Cyven Investments. Then you talk about Bitumen Resources, to make them a grand total of 5. Bitumen Resources on top and Cyven Investments on top, to make them 5. So this is the simple breakdown, this is the simple explanation or the simple narration of the companies or the contractors that have been given the job, given the work to do on the Bulawayo Town Center, Bulawayo City Center to Victoria Falls Road. 5 companies: Masimba Contracting, Fossil Contracting, Bitumen Resources, Cyven Investments, and Tensor Systems. Are you happy at this news? Are you excited? Are you in a jovial mood? Are you celebrating this wonderful achievement, this great development, this great work, this great accomplishment? through the brains, through the mind or the hands of the president of Zimbabwe, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. Right. Lastly, I would like to say, I would like to send a salutation. I like to send a salutation, a congratulatory message, a message of congratulations to the president. Long live the president of Zimbabwe. This because, personally speaking, I'm seeing a lot of development in Zimbabwe. I'm seeing a lot of changes, of course, positive changes, positive developments, positive reforms that are being done or carried out by the president, the top leader in this country, in this nation, Republic of Zimbabwe. Long live the president. I wish you all the best. I congratulate you. I appreciate what you're doing, and I see what you're doing. I'm looking, I'm checking, I'm observing every day, every time, day in and day out, day and night. I'm looking at what you're doing, and I'm happy as a fellow citizen of this country, fellow national of this country. Long live the president. More wisdom, more grace, more power, more anointing, more uh, intelligence and wisdom from God to continue what you are doing. You and your government, you and your cabinet, you and your deputy president. Right. I'm done talking on this one. Peace out. Sharp.